Good morning, everybody. This is A1 GVS English PDM School. Myself, Pawar Hani. Today we will have a lecture on Standard 5th, Unit 5, the poem Lazy Frog. On a school day, you are busy, don't you? Studying, playing, chatting with friends. When you have a holiday from school, what do? Would you behave like a little like the frog in the following poem? He is very lazy. Now let's begin the poem. Before starting the poem, let me tell you about the writer of the poem. The writer of the poem is anonymous. Anonymous means no one whose name or writer or who has written the poem is unknown. Okay? Now I am going to read the poem for you. Let's begin. Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day upon a log. He always manages to shirk doing a single stroke of work. His poor old mother calls in vain. Come in and help, he does not bother. To move 2 inches, much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing. He lies there in a silent heap and stays conveniently asleep. If a lady frog hops past, you had think he would get up last to bow and help her on her way. But no, I am ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, he does not open up one eye. Now let's begin with the theme of the poem. The poem is about a lazy frog named Fred. He does not work the whole day. The poem reveals the lazy behavior of the frog. This poem also shows the relationship of a frog and his mother and how he behaves with her. Now let's begin the explanation of the poem one by one line. Fred is a lazy frog. As you know, the name of the frog is Fred, who lolls all day upon a log. Lolls means students lying down lazily, not doing any work. Upon a log. Log is a thick part of a tree that is called trunk. In short, we can say that he is always wasting his time. He always manages to shirk doing a single stroke of work, means he does not do any work and he always try to keep away from the work. His mother keep on calling him, but his behavior troubles his mother also. He manages to get away with anything. She calls him for some work but pretends to be deaf. Rather than helping his mother, he sleeps conveniently as if he hasn't listened to his mother. He does not bother about his mother. He does not move even 2 inches. He doesn't have any respect for the ladies because he also does not move an inch when a lady frog is passing by. Also, we think that Fred will get up and bow, but he does not bother and even open his eyes also. This proves that actually the frog is very lazy. Now, writer of the poem is anonymous. Here we end the poem. Now we will practice some of the word meanings. Number 1, lol. I have already discussed about the meaning of lol. Lazy person. Log means trunk. Shirk means not doing any work, managing to get away from the work. Deaf means hard of hearing. Bow means to bend down. Conveniently means easily. Hops means jumping. Now with this I end the poem.